Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and we're showing you our GMC Jimmy. Now, this is not a $75,000 one, but it can be a great winter project. Got some pretty good solid bones to her. Obviously some rust, which I'll show you. Here you can see this fender is creased, so probably has enough damage you'd want to replace the fender, but definitely could be used, and I would maybe rather put a little glass in a real one than put a Chinese one on. So hood also, you know, I don't see a lot of big dents in it, so hood's probably usable. Grill surround isn't bad. Missing a couple pieces on the outside there, so I don't know if they're serviceable. And then down below there it's pitted, so if you're gonna build a really nice one, you'd want to put a new grill surround in it. Same deal here. This fender doesn't seem to have much for dents in it. A little bit right here, so I'd say that's usable. This door even isn't that bad, except for that blister right there. So you could put that bottom section that they make. You see, it's pretty decent in there. Rockers are bad shape. Rockers and front floors, you're gonna need to do some work there. This was originally that reddish orange one. Actually, I just got done building one. We ain't even finished with it. Gonna need some floor work, front, back. So definitely gonna need some metal work. Those have a top. They did cut a hole in it at one time. I don't know how you would fix that, but these tops are worth a lot of money. So it's still probably worth pretty good money with that hole in it. Just have to find somebody to do some fiberglass repair. Quarters, lower fronts, lower rears. Like I said, I think you could probably get by using most of that, and that saves you a ton. Tailgate's actually in relatively good shape. Got that rust blister right there, but same deal, better than a Chinese one if you can because it fits so much better, you know. Same deal here, lower quarters, but this part, the arch is all pretty good shape. They've had some mud in here before, so and then of course we need that lower repair panel and the rockers. Door, pretty good shape. This one's ate out a little more, so you may have to do some work there, but obviously, like I said, the rockers and the floors, so definitely does need some metal work. There it's got its options. Yep, Hugger Orange is what color it was. 350, power steering, power brakes. So perfect candidate for an LS truck. If you got some time this winter, keep you out of trouble, definitely would be a fun project. So any questions? 605-695-7391.